How does marine pollution threaten polar seals? Imagine a world where the icy waters are not just home to stunning wildlife but also carry invisible dangers. That's what marine pollution does to the polar regions and the seals that live there. These seals, like ringed and harp seals, depend on clean, cold waters for their survival. But pollution from far away and local sources is changing that. Persistent organic pollutants are chemicals that do not break down easily in the environment. Chemicals like polychlorinated biphenyls, brominated flame retardants, and polyfluoroalkyl substances build up in the Arctic and Antarctic waters. These chemicals get into the food chain when small fish like Arctic cod eat tiny plants and animals contaminated with these toxins. Seals eat these fish, so they end up with high levels of these harmful chemicals in their bodies. These toxins can weaken a seal's immune system, making them more prone to illness. They can also interfere with reproduction, leading to fewer pups being born healthy. This means fewer seals survive to grow up and reproduce. Even though many of these chemicals are banned or regulated, they are so stable that they stay in the environment for many years. This means seals continue to be exposed to them long after the bans. Plastic pollution is another serious problem. Tiny microplastics are now found in the Arctic and Antarctic waters, even in places with very little human activity. Seals can accidentally swallow microplastics, which can cause internal injuries or blockages. Larger plastic debris, like fishing lines or plastic bags, can entangle seals, trapping them and sometimes causing death. Microplastics can also carry toxic chemicals on their surfaces, adding another layer of danger for seals that ingest them. Climate change makes everything worse. As the polar ice melts, seals lose their natural habitats for breeding and resting. For example, harp seals relying on sea ice to give birth and nurse their pups. Pollution weakens seals' health, making it harder for them to cope with habitat loss and changing prey availability caused by warming waters. All these factors combine to threaten the survival of polar seals. Pollution contaminates their bodies with dangerous chemicals, exposes them to harmful plastics, and makes it harder for them to survive in a changing environment. Protecting these animals means reducing pollution and taking care of the fragile polar ecosystems they call home.